Next station, Pedro Hill Station. Pakiusap sa mga pasahero. Ipinagbabawal po ang pag-upo sa sahig upang bigyang daan ang iba pang nakasakay ng tren. Please do not sit on the floor to give way to other passengers boarding the train. Paparating na sa Pedro Hill Station. Approaching Pedro Hill Station. Pedro Hill Station. Pedro Hill Station.